It's hard to recognise, but this is my battery tray. It's seen better days back in the 70s. I flattened it out to give me a template to work with. And after a hefty investment in a motorised bead roller, I thought I'd give a go at making a new one. This is my first attempt, and I was going for a test build. It takes a while to work out the best die combinations, but creating a curved flange was certainly much easier with the bead roller. But I did need to shrink the additional material, and thankfully this was made easy with my shrinker and stretcher. It doesn't take long at all. Within 30 minutes I was able to create this new battery tray. I'm looking forward to doing more with the bead roller.